Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course Microsoft Edge has received on Friday a update. It changed version to 146, and so following of course the Google Chrome browser moving to 146 also. Now it contains a few changes. One of them is the deprecation of the password storing feature that is in it. Microsoft had mentioned they would kind of want to remove that. The other thing also is if you've been using collections, well, collections is going to be gone pretty much as this update will go on with the standard versions. So if you were using collections, you liked collections, it might have disappeared now from your system, but not necessarily for everyone. As you see here, I have it, although this is the beta version. They say up to June 1st is when everybody's going to have it removed. So there's quite a few things. It does contain the two fixes for the Chromium browser. The 0 days are in here. So it brings your version to 146.0.3856.59. And what is important, of course, is especially those 0 days exploited in the wild. That also means that everyone on a Chromium browser should check for updates for their own Chromium browsers. Those two flaws are extremely important to fix. And remember that when you are exploited through a flaw, most of the time your software, any antivirus you might be using, is pretty much useless in those cases. So that means that fixing the flaws is way more important in the most cases, and that is also often the number one recommendation of security researchers. Update your software to make sure that it's all the flaws, the security flaws, are fixed. So check it out, and this is to stay safe. And, of course, moving on to a new version in some cases. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.